Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple takes to your storyboard in the Edit app so you can organize and edit your Instagram content like a pro. Now, adding multiple takes is perfect when you're recording like tutorials or product demos and you want to combine the best shots into a single polished edit. So instead of starting from scratch each time, Edits lets you layer all your clips in one storyboard so you can see your entire project at a glance. Now to do this, you want to go to the Inspiration or Following tab inside the Edits app, create a storyboard by choosing the plus icon, and from here you want to choose the storyboard option. Now let's name our storyboard first. Then click the plus icon to add an image or a video. Now let's go to the gallery and choose a video. Now, here's where you can add multiple takes to your storyboard. Choose the option Add to Storyboard below our first take. And just like that, you now have the option to add another image or video. You can simply repeat this process, but once you are done, hit Save first, then tap New Project to begin editing your storyboard. And that's it. Using multiple takes in your storyboard is a game changer for creating smooth, professional looking content without needing complicated software. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!